If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today we got a special situation. Just got back from a job, just took a shower, and Miss Mossy answers the phone, and we got a gentleman calling from. What's his name, Mars?
Missouri.
We got a gentleman calling from Missouri, and he wants to do a little FaceTime, and he wants to pay me, but I might want to be paid. I just want to have some fun. So let's check him out, give him a call. He's got a couple clog toilets or a clog toilet, and he's trying to aug it. Oh, my battery's low. What's up, sir? What's your name?
My name's Steve, and I think you're an internet legend.
Steve. All right. We're just trying to help out the community. You know, what's going on? What do you got?
Mate, I'm telling you right now, I think you need to trademark FaceTime a plumber. Because, I don't know, an initial I think there's a market for that. I've been watching a ton of your videos this morning.
All right. Appreciate it. Let me turn you off so we can hear you.
So this is my laundry. I've got, I'm going to put you on. So I've got two toilets back to back.
Okay.
This is our powder room. I've got the toilet off. Basically, they're not draining.
Both of them?
Both of them.
I'm going to say, is that holding water?
Yeah, it's holding water.
You have a clogged sewer, my friend.
Yep, so this room, the toilets aren't back to back, but they share a wall.
Got
Same
you.
deal here.
Got you. You got the, I see, what kind of machine you got there?
Mate, that's just a auger from Home Depot thingy. But here's my question.
Go ahead.
So I only had this toilet off here last night. Used a smaller version, didn't work. And I thought maybe I need to do it from the other direction and go into the other toilet. So this morning I took the other toilet off, went and got this guy here, and when I put it down this pipe,
Right.
it actually came up the other toilet pipe.
Oh, that ain't no good.
So my question is, I don't have any control. I'm assuming this is the tail end of the house, so over here.
What floor you on?
I'm on the main floor where we've got a built-in basement.
Okay.
So basically, that's the end of the house.
Got you.
So I can't imagine this pipe going any further this way. My gut tells me that it's kind of dropping down here and going that way because obviously it's come up the toilet next door.
I'm surprised. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
My question to you is, there's no way I can control the direction of this, even if I took this out and put it in this toilet.
Can I put you on hold for 1 sec while we're talking? I got to talk to my son. He's going to his bath. We'll have a little three-way here, okay, real quick?
Sweet.
Angelo. Angelo.
What's going on?
Say hi to Steve. We're talking plumbing on FaceTime via YouTube.
How are you, mate?
What's going on?
You're going up to Stockton?
Who, me?
I mean, you're going up to Trenton now?
We're leaving in like an hour and a half.
Oh.
We just got done walk through.
Awesome. Can I call you right back?
Yeah, text me. Yeah.
I'll text you first. All right, cool. Thank you, Ange.
Yep.
All right, bye. Sorry about that, Steve. That was my son. I had to get in touch with him before they got a big championship game today.
Nice.
Here's my question, Steve, and I'll be honest with you. I'm surprised that snake comes up the other toilet because it shouldn't be piped that way. You know? So that's could be one issue, which that's nothing we can do nothing about.
Now we just as a we rent this place, so
I got you.
So I felt like, well, if it's something that we've done, I'm happy to kind of do the preliminary work.
Yeah.
But when I put that last night, when I was in the other bathroom, I only had the other one off.
Okay.
When I put that down and put it up here, obviously this toilet was still on. When I pulled it back, it looked like I had wax on it, which may explain that I went down 12, 14 feet up to here and was basically hitting here.
And you can't see no fittings in the basement? Or is it a finished basement?
It is a finished basement, mate, but the guy at Home Depot said, well, maybe you should find that junction point, you know, with the, forgive my non-plumbing.
That's cool. You got any plumbing fixtures down there?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? How's that toilet working?
Mate, this flow's working fine.
Huh.
This one's working fine.
And that's
we've got another bathroom in the place that's working fine as well.
Wow. It's kind of weird.
So it's obviously in that junction, because my bathroom's right above here.
Okay.
Now, if I had to pay, I had Rotoroo to come out and they said they were going to charge me $500 to basically do it. And I realized it was handy, so I thought, well,
they ain't scared. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll be honest with you. I would have to say it's not your problem because both toilets are clogged. Unless there's, as we know, the world famous flushable wipes are not flushable.
No.
So hopefully the family's not using them. And if you try running the snake down both toilets.
Yep.
And each time it comes up the other flange.
Well, no, it only came up the other flange when I was in the ensuite. I put it down here first.
Right.
And it went down probably 18 feet.
And what happened when you got to 18? You couldn't push it no further?
That's correct. It wasn't kind of a mushy surface. It was kind of like I'd almost hit I'd hit a T-junction or a, you know.
It could be. Maybe the head can't make the turn. Well, here's what I would do. I would run it down wherever one flange you could run it in without it coming up the other one. Run it and then do a sounding. We love doing soundings as plumbers and find out where, like maybe somebody can help you turn the machine on and go find out downstairs in the basement, like where you're going.
Right.
Like what it's close to. And, you know, it sounds like you might have to hire Rotor, you know?
Well, mate, that's the thing. I don't mind hiring him. If it was something simple that I could do,
yeah,
I'm happy to take it to a certain point. But,
yeah, I think you went above and beyond for the landlord, you know what I mean?
Well, that's the kind of guy I am.
Hey, man, this is why I made the phone call today, you know? Marcy's like, he wants to pay it. I'm like, no way, man, let's do it. I actually did this once before. It was a virtual tub repair for a family member, but you're actually my second virtual plumbing repair, and hopefully we can get you through this. Miss Marcy, this is the boss lady right here.
There you go.
My sister owns an ice cream parlor.
I was going to say that. We got an ice cream parlor in the family. Yup.
TJ.
Well, I actually, as well as running the training facility, I'm the executive director of the National Ice Cream Retailers Association. And you need to ask your sister whether she's a member of NICRA, the National Ice Cream Retailers Association.
I'll have to ask her. She makes all her own homemade ice cream.
Oh,
It's all homemade.
We actually have a big convention every November. This November it's in Florida, Orlando. She needs to come down.
I think we went one year, a real long time ago. When she first opened. She's been open for like 20 years now.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, you telling the folks from NICRA appreciate all that she does in her local community.
There it is, man. Cool. Well,
All right, Chuck.
brother, I appreciate you calling. Hey, man, hit me back, because I'll tell you what, my battery's going to die, but I'm going to throw it on charge. So if you need a little assistance before I go to I have a 2:30 appointment. What time is it?
1:35.
If you're going to give it a go, I got time. I got more time for you. Call me back.
Why can't you
Mate,
run
and
it
then
from
you
the
let me
street?
know how I can put a testimonial on your website. I'll write you up. Don't you worry.
Oh, I'll send you our link. I got the website going, the whole review thing going for sure. I'm trying to think. Cause here's just to back to your situation. You have two toilets that are working.
Right.
That's real, and the clogged toilets are above the toilets that are working.
Right. Well, there's one upstairs. Whoops, I thought I was on FaceTime. There's one upstairs in the kids' bedroom, and there's another ensuite down in the kitchen down this end of the house.
Okay. And the clogged toilets are down ground level?
Yeah, at this level here. And then that one downstairs in the basement that I flushed while you were on.
Is that on the same side of the house?
It's on the same side of the house, the one down. In fact, the one downstairs is right underneath the two that are playing up.
Wow. I really like to get to the bottom of this because now it's got my plumbing mind thinking like that's really odd.
Well, let me do some sanding out, mate, and then I'll hit you up.
Hit me up. I'm gonna put my battery on my camera on charge so we get a full charge.
Sounds good.
All right. Good luck.
Thanks, mate.
Yes, sir.
Drain here,
Okay.
and then just like before, but in reverse. It came up this one here.
Here's what I'm thinking, man. Like, oh, there it is. All right, that ain't working that way. For some reason, it's coming right up that fitting, which kind of, it shouldn't be piped that way, but it is what it is. Your basement, does that have a sewer ejector? That you might have a sewer ejector down there where it actually pumps the sewage up to the main. And is your street clean out going down? Like
I haven't been to the street clean out, but I didn't do that because we've got other toilets running. So.
Right. So maybe here, like the basement might be eliminated as a good toilet only because it might be on the ejector.
So, I mean, now I'm no plumber here, but
oh, there it is. There's the ejector. All right. So that eliminates that bathroom from working because that just fills up that tank and then pumps it out. So my question to you is this: the other toilet that's working is above the two clogged toilets?
no, it's over there.
Oh, it's over there. That's probably an ejector also. Or it might come across to the basement and pipe into that.
Okay.
When they did the whole basement job when they built the house.
Okay.
So you might need to, which if that ejector has a check valve on it, you won't get no backup from upstairs because that's what that check valve's for.
Right.
And you can't get no crawl space underneath your house to fill pipes, tap on pipes, see if they're full?
Mate, I don't think so.
Okay.
Not that I'm aware of.
Alright. What I will do maybe is your next move will be to look outside the house, like where the sewer comes out the house. You might have a clean out right outside the house. Like here in Jersey, you got to have a clean out 5 foot from the house.
Right.
If that thing's full of water, then you know you got a sewer problem and you need to get the main done.
Generally the front of the house?
It depends how usually, yeah. It depends how they piped it, you know.
I mean, I can't say that I've seen one, but
It could be grown.
This would be above the level of that thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'll have a look for it.
Yeah, it looks like maybe, especially the other bathroom, the bathroom above. Here's a question for you. I seen you had a second floor there, the stairwell.
Yep.
Is that bathroom coming up in the clogged toilets?
No.
That goes down good.
Yep.
You get no gurgling, no water rise in them toilets.
Katie, your toilet upstairs, do you get any gurgling sounds?
No. When you flush the second floor, floor, does it come up in there where you had the toilet off?
No.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, hey, next level, I'm happy to get it professionally, and I just...
Yeah, it sounds like you might need one. Okay?
Well, mate, I wish I was living in New Jersey.
Oh, man, we come right out. I send CB2 out there with Angelo.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Mate, send me a link that I can I'll do something. I'll even do a video testimonial. I'm happy. You're a good guy.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate the good word. And again, reach out.
Right.
My man. Have a good one. My second virtual plumbing job with my man Steve from Missouri, I believe. Good stuff. Actually, it was pretty fun. Any questions for me in the comments below? Steve, reach back out. Let us know how you made out. Maybe you get some shots of Roto-Rooter. So, I just came back from my appointment, and now I'm curious how Steve made out, so I'm going to text him. What's the result of his sewer job, and did he have to hire an outside agency to get it? So stand by here. Let's find out what we can